Hey guys, look at that cute little dinosaur. Whoa, what you doing? You think you can take me on? Bam! What you doing? Whoa! Whoa! What? 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 Oh my god. That was really funny. He just stood there for a second. He's all like, I'm gonna show off to him that I'm more powerful. Yeah, he didn't. He didn't do it. Okay, so. Yeah, that's a creeper, not as strong. But, oh man, no, that was pretty funny. Bam. So today I'm gonna try to go back through the Nether. I want to make myself a new set of armor. Actually, no, I don't need that. I have enough for I have no idea where the stuff's storing, actually. If you hear a dog in the background, a dog's crazy. Just does that randomly. Ugh. Let's see. Uh, Follow the dirt. That's my mining tip. Not for not for randomly finding ores, but for my good, my supply depots that I have. I think I want to make another chest before I leave. I'm sorry if this is taking long and you guys, and if you're getting impatient. I don't really need the magma blocks from my last video I did. Let's see, I don't need that much meat either. Probably only about 10. I'm not going to be staying there forever. Portal blows up. Ah! That's going to give about 20. Don't need that. Don't need that there. Don't need that either. Don't really need these little blocks. See how many stone ticks do I have. That should be good enough. Don't really need the water either. Need the flint and steel. Ugh, so much dirt in my inventory. If I keep the fence, I might keep it just in case. I'll keep the wood too. Nether is so much more different than Minecraft. I mean, it's ridiculously different. And their view, like how far these nether mobs can see? Well, guess what? It's way, way out there. I mean, they'll drop from up there, and they'll be able to see me. Like 30, 40, 50 blocks maybe. I'm not sure exactly how far, but it's really far. Especially for a Minecraft or kind of Minecrafty mob. I'm guessing they automatically see you if you're in viewing distance, no matter how far away you are. I'm checking. I'm looking around. I'm not going to get ambushed like last time. Stupid mantis in the front. And, I don't know what that was. I'm going to start calling it a withered behemoth. That's its name. Thought that was something there. Oh no. The mushrooms are making me hallucinate. Spores are being released. Yeah. So I didn't stay here very long because I don't like this nether very much. It's cool. I mean, like, I find it really cool, but you know you're gonna get your ass kicked because these guys are super overpowered. Is there any glowstone nearby? Don't see any. I'm after glowstone. It's not very good in this game. It's like really low light. Or it's not very good light. I mean, you know, it's really crappy light. Not how it is in Minecraft. Okay, well, I think I'm going to end the video here because I can only do temporarily long videos, so. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Oh, please leave a like. I only have one subscriber. I love that subscriber. Not like physically. Yeah, not physically.